Hey everybody, Jason here from Murideo. We are at ISE 2022 in Barcelona, having a great day so far. We're getting close to the end of day one, but we're having a great time here. We've got a few different products here at our booth today for this show. The first thing that we'll take a look at is kind of our tried and true kit. This is called the Fox and Hound. It's a point-to-point troubleshooting kit for HDMI. I call it the lifesaver. You can be on site at a customer's home or on a job site and you're having problems with a display, or you're having problems with a specific signal getting to that display. This is the point-to-point kit that you would use to troubleshoot it. A generator on one end of the system, an analyzer on the other end of the system, and you can send any types of signals that you want to, even things like HDCP if you need to test for that. Above the Fox and Hound is our Murideo kit. Sort of the similar situation, but a little bit more advanced. If you had to do some advanced troubleshooting, you can take either the generator or the analyzer. We have free software for these pieces on our website, and you can do a little bit more in-depth troubleshooting with that kit. And also the generator we can use for calibrating displays and projectors. It connects to your favorite calibration software. It'll let you color correct and line up projectors and do all those types of things to make sure that your customer is getting the best picture and they're not going to have any problems with it in the future. We make sure the right signals are getting to the system. We make sure it's all color corrected and looks really good. And that's basically what we do here at Murideo, testing, troubleshooting, and calibration. Thanks for checking out the video. If you are here live and watching this video, if the show's still going on, we're at booth 5N350. Feel free, swing by, come hang out. We'll be happy to see you. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us at www.murideo.com. Thanks for watching.